How to uninstall Kinemaster. First of all, go to your device home screen or app drawer and locate the Kinemaster app icon. Now tap and hold the Kinemaster icon for a few seconds until a menu appears or the icon becomes movable. Depending on your device, you will see different options like uninstall, remove, or a small trash bin icon at the top or bottom of the screen. If you see the uninstall option directly, tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you really want to uninstall the app. Tap OK or uninstall to confirm. If your device shows a trash bin icon, simply drag the Kinemaster icon to the bin. Again confirm the uninstallation when prompted. Once the process is complete, Kinemaster will be removed from your device. This means you will no longer be able to access your saved projects unless they have been backed up externally. If you ever wish to reinstall it, you can go to the Play Store and download it again anytime. Now you know how to uninstall Kinemaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.